Products. What products do we recommend? Instead of getting into particular individual name brand products, here's a simple way of approaching it. Let's talk about shampoos first. Any shampoo you use should be silky, meaning as you're shampooing your hair, your fingers should go through it very smooth and silky, not getting caught. Smooth and silky. Next, the conditioner that you put on in the shower that you rinse off, smooth and silky. Then after you get out of the shower, usually it's good to leave a leave-on serum. Leave-on serums, here's how you test them. You put them in your hands and rub your hands together. If your hands are shiny, yet slippery, and not greasy, then that's exactly how it'll be on your own hair. A leave-in serum is supposed to condition your hair, protect it from heat if you're using curling irons, all right, or blow dryers, and it's supposed to give it a little shine to make it look a little extra healthy, all right, and it's also supposed to allow you to glide through it with your fingers, with a brush, with a comb. So remember, any products you use should be silky, slippery, slide through your hair easily with your fingers, a brush, or a comb.